Hi, I'm Lindy Witten. Welcome back to the studio. What I thought I'd do is show you how I do a quick palette setup here. This is a painting I was doing as a demo for the class, and I have all my pastels in these drawers here, nicely boxed up. So what I do when I'm going to class is set out a little pastel palette ready for the painting, and then I want to attach it securely here. Now I'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see what happens next. I have the two knobs that allow you to adjust the easel up and down, and at first I was just popping it under there, tilting it. You can see how turn the knobs and they hold it in place. Well, they hold it in place until you accidentally knock it and it all goes on the floor. Knobs that way so they're nice and level. Pop in the spacer, put in the tray, turn the knob slightly so it catches, pop in the spacer. All done. To remove, just take out the spacer, pull it out. Very simple action.